Prime Minister even give him talk commitment belong him, talk promise where me talk. Government by tidy him up, now all by pay him out, all get that display outstanding. You know, belong ECP Tasol belong all get a province. Now time me been asking this la same asking me been follow up long last sitting where ECP provincial government you know been receiving funding. Now all get a province to me so we only been kissing since March last year, Mr. Speaker. Me talk now because last year me plan no kissim teachers leave first. You know me platasol all get a province only no kissim. There's la teachers leave first, so we were not able to send our teachers on holiday. Now because ECP has done really well, and ECP now has 3 high schools that are in the top 10 in the country. Plenty more, ECP go all tertiary institutions now. And we are having to support them. No school fee belong, and it's a burden for us. Time government is asking me to make him work, only asking me to improve him health, only asking me to improve him, only asking me to improve him education. Now only asking me to improve him economy. Me play focus on this or something. Now when it actually improves, you need the budget that is approved in this house to be transferred. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Now me too, me like give him talk Rama, screw him to talk lo Prime Minister lo good talk me. Congratulating you one time, Honorable Wapunai. Good walk you play walk him. Na me too me head him this talk Hamamas. Number 2, me like talk sorry long old member we plenty biniga task him. Now you may not get opportunity to ask him because all sitting and me short to mas na. Me talk sorry na. Me been got one to ask him. Me like frame him also grievance so that at least all ministers he can hurry. Na me talk hamamas too also Prime Minister you wear him flag belong ECP long necktie below you. Thank you. Now this last him and me shoot him straight you gonna think people belong ECP cam. Now but me put him come long heavy belong you, soldier below you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, last year we been talk planting long all functional grants. I good plan so me got 10 minutes so me can explain him. Time all province sim functional grants, Mr. Speaker, and NEFCs are working out. Functional grants I go some long leave first long teacher, I go long local level governments, long work long all. I go through me plus I sim also one plan only call him primary production grant where me supporting work long agriculture. If I got 2, also I give him also administrative grants and we go long work long or provincial administration and I go long supporting work long all BDA where all staff long all staff inside the district administration. If I got 2 sample halivim where there's the function grants I go long supporting village court and I come. Now all get the provinces are kissing this plan. So this grievance for me, because the Prime Minister in staff, but all minister can inform him behind Deputy Prime Minister staff. Last year, me been raising issue long all functional grants were outstanding. You know, long ECP Tasol long all get the province. Now I got some grants too, where I go long all PHA or all by Ronimol work long all. Now plenty been outstanding. Now government been paying long last year. Now time me been raising long budget debate long November last year. Prime Minister even give him talk commitment long him, talk promise where me talk. Government by tidy him up, now all by pay him out, all get a display outstanding. You know, belong ECP Tasol belong all get a province. Now time me been asking this la same asking me been follow up long last sitting where ECP provincial government been receiving funding. Now all get a province to me so we only been kissing since March last year, Mr. Speaker. Time me been asking Despla, ask him long, I think long treasurer. Despla immediately after, I think 1 week after, me talk, thank you, Finance Department, is remitting 1.8 million this year. It come lo ECP. Now, if you recall, Mr. Speaker, time only been announcing budget long. Last year, only talk ECP, only put him lo headline talk ECP by 360 million. Cash component belong and mipla by kisim 70 million. The rest, payable workman, mostly payable teachers. All teachers lo ECP only kisim close to 120 million and payable also. But also reflecting inside lo budget lo ECP. Same one the budget lo the province. So time government is calling nabab lo budget na talk. Des la province kisim also, des la province kisim also. No cash mipla kisim. Cash component lo ECP. blood this year, and by around 67 million, and cash component, where money, where finance department by remitting directly go along ECB province of government. Now this plan by Karamapim all get a 6 district blomipla, now by Karamapim 28 local level government blomipla. And stop inside lo deslamon. Inside long M2, he got teachers leave face stuff. Mr. Speaker, me talk now because last year, Mipla no kisim teachers leave face. You know, Mipla tasol, all get a province only no kisim. There's like teachers leave face, so we were not able to send our teachers on holiday. Particularly all teachers were come to Narbla province, and I teach lo province lo Mipla. There's like me outstanding yet enough now. Orat blomi emolsem. Na mi been like asking this la question na. Me like Prime Minister by take note long I want them treasurer na finance minister. Worry blomi emolsem. Me play come lo finish lo display here now. Next session me play sit down and back on budget. Now suppose me play no kisim, especially for me, the leave phase, Mr. Speaker, and there is also an education function grant where me play use him to no support him all sumatin lo me play stop lo tertiary institutions, Mr. Speaker. Now because ECPIC has done really well, and ECPIC now has 3 high schools that are in the top 10 in the country. Plenty more, picking ECPIC or go all tertiary institutions now. And we are having to support them. Lo school fee blong, and it's a burden for us. Time government is asking people to make him work, only asking people to improve him health, only asking people to improve him, only asking people to improve him education. Now only asking people to improve him economy. People are focused on this or something. Now when it actually improves, you need the budget that is approved in this house to be transferred. So as I stand before you here, Mr. Speaker, ECPIC has 59 million outstanding for this year, where function grants have not been received. We have 34 million outstanding from last year, plus a 10 million kina infrastructure grant from last year. So total outstanding, where government owe MIPLA now, am 103 million, Mr. Speaker. Now me worry because MIPLA by Sinan no next sitting, I'm back on a budget now, na suppose finance na treasury, making work loan, na MIPLA no seems la money. We won't be able to continue to function and operate, Mr. Speaker. Now, PM made a commitment that the government would tidy up all of these outstandings, not just to ECP, but to all the other provinces as well. Now, for us in ECP, we are in a unique situation because, Mr. Speaker, we had to spend our own money to divert a creek to extend the runway. That's why no work, Plumipla. We signed an MOA with the National Airports Corporation. National Airports Corporation to Yupla must make it because underneath the loan requirements, they cannot do it. Now we have to relocate the creek. Mipla Brooklyn Banish Blo CIS. We are now into the CIS Boron. Mipla relocating creek, but we've run out of money because our application for the funding, the NAC talking Mipla, Yupla apply Naximsla money. We cannot do it. The funding, when it went to planning, and I wrote a letter to the good minister for planning, the funding was then given to NAC. We were asked to do the job. This is a national government role, not ours. Same time, CIS relocation, national government function. National government is not working, and the provincial government is supposed to do it. The Turbu Road is now cut off because we had to relocate the creek to extend the runway. Again, national government responsibility, Mr. Speaker. We are building a police barracks. National government responsibility. Responsibility of ECB provincial government. So, Mr. Speaker, these all functional grants here, we're only promising MIPLA. They have to pay us because we are unable to keep our local level governments have not operated for the last 6 months. Because money we step inside the budget, we're supposed to go all inoka. We've been asking whether government got cash flow problem. The treasury talk no, there is no cash flow problem. Yet, as I stand before you, the people of ECP are owed 103 million from last year, now outstanding this year. Suppose me go and check him PHA is owed 21 million. ECP provincial government, he give him 3 million, where me talk thank you long all. Members from me sit down inside the house. Me apply give him 3 million ken law by Marasin law, treating people below ECP. So, Mr. Speaker, grievance below me and also. Time you me like working this law budget. Now also me talk, I'm a mas below me and also Prime Minister and we wear him necktie, we saw him I got thinking lo people belong isibik. Now suppose this thinking is strong, me hope also, Mr. Speaker. By can talk long finance minister belong can talk long treasurer belong Now I can talk long usa do narbla minister we hold him some money we need lo couple of people. And we can talk some long now only can think in people belong isibik because next time hangapa people neck belong Thank you, Mr. Speaker.